What's up, guys? Welcome back to Flat Motion. Today I'm out here in my hometown, Franklin, Tennessee, and it's a nice 64 degrees. Just out here on my bike, and it's amazing. There's a honk going on. So today I'm going to show you guys around my hometown. You guys have already seen a little bit of it in my other videos, but I'm going to go in depth this time. We're going to go into downtown Franklin. That's pretty much the city center of where I live, and it's blown up a lot in the past decade, just like Nashville has. This is south of Nashville, but yeah, let's check it out. Keep it simple, guys. Franklin's old. Franklin's really, really old. Even though Franklin's really old, it's not that big. But something cool about it is you always find stuff like this. Because I've never seen this truck here before, and I've lived here for 15, 16 years. Finding that truck was pretty cool. I went a little bit into the town, which you can see here. This is the town square. I took a seat and started filming just all the people walking by. Super busy day because it was the first time we've had nice weather. As you can see, Franklin is very busy. So here's a quick rundown of Main Street. You have the Franklin Theater. You have a few shops that look like this in the storefront. And then you have Gray's, which is a famous like eatery, and then it goes down to the square, and there's jewelry stores, and there are plenty of churches around too. Here are some of the many signs that you'll see describing the history of Franklin. It's kind of a fun game to play to see how many signs you can find, because there are so many. On a day like today, it's too busy to drive down here. You will not find a place to park. A lot of people like coming down here to eat and to kind of like shop around. There's a few little shopping things down Main Street. Most of the buildings here are super old, like 1800s. And there was, in the Battle of Franklin, which was the center, like one of the turning points in the Civil War, a lot of the older buildings are kind of preserved, like this one right here. That's super old. It used to be a field hospital. I think it's like, it looks like it's probably 200 square feet. But new things are popping up like this over here. That's a hotel with shops on the bottom. Those are popping up all over the place. So new things and old things all come together, and Franklin is just a really nice town. It has gotten really busy, and therefore a lot of the mom and pop shops aren't able to keep up with the rent in the town. And so you're really stuck with a lot of food that is just like, there's nothing really good, but nothing really bad either. It's just the rent is so expensive in downtown Franklin that it's just kind of hard to keep up with the prices. Other than that, that's really the rundown of downtown Franklin and my hometown. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe, leave a like. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. One of the most haunted places in Franklin.